Hi guys, welcome to Skymen Poultry Farm Academy, where idea meet action and all you throw it. Let's dive into today's discussion. As you all know, the backbone of every successful business come as an idea. Same thing applies to poultry business. Yeah, I would like to limit this video to broiler farming because with little capital, you can start as compared to layer poultry business, which is capital intensive and need more expertise to handle. Firstly, I would like to run the calculation from budgeting to profiting within 6 weeks. So for simplicity, I will run calculation for 500 birds. That is the minimum and the ideal number if you want to start poultry as a main hustle. Budget for running 500 belts from day old to 6 weeks to achieving a realistic body weight of 2.5 to 3 kg in 6 weeks. Let me start with this. Please, guys, don't enter the business during festive period because there are a lot of up and down price fluctuation and a lot of uncertainty which can increase cost of production. So that is my advice for all the newbies. They shouldn't enter the poultry business during festive period so that they won't meet a lot of competition and they might likely be flushed out of the business. So let me start by saying this. Firstly, our budget is 500 beds. I would like to go with a 550 belts instead of 500. As you know, in poultry, each carton consists of 50 belts, most of the time 51. That is 2% insurance on every belt that you purchase. So we are most likely going to get 51 from each carton. So we are getting 11 carton, which is 550 belts. So we budget for feed 25,000 per bag, and ideally we should be needing eight bags of feed within a space of 6 weeks for 550 birds. We put the price to be 25,000 per bag, which the price actually means that we are getting a professional feed, which is very okay and good, and we might, and it's most likely going to increase our reduce our FCR. Hence, our chance of achieving 2.5 to 3 kg is achievable and feasible with professional feed. So, also, our budget for drug and vaccine is 200 naira per bed. That's equivalent to 110,000. So there's what we call brooding stage. We either use a gas breeder or charcoal for a newbie, someone that is just starting. So we're able to go with charcoal. So hence we are getting 4 bags of charcoal and we get other things. So we get sawdust. Most places sawdust is usually free, but let's assume that okay, there will be a cost will be involved. So we put that at 20,000. You have the miscellaneous and CP. Maybe why you want to go out to get your vaccine, to get this, to get that, because most likely you get your vaccine on weekly basis. You can't keep vaccine in your house. So you need miscellaneous and other things. And you think you are not that strong enough to handle 500 beds yourself, you can employ one person, you are 60. You know, each batch will last for at most 2 months. Yeah, 2 months like 8 weeks. So you prepare for 2 months, not a month or 1.5 months. So budgeting 60,000 naira per month for your worker, that is 120,000 naira for the 2 months. If you calculate everything all together, you will have 3,140,000 as the total cost of production. So now, I want to give our total cost of production is 3,140,000. That is our budget, and we have maximized everything needed to be put at the top of the ceiling. So with this, at worst case scenario, from 550 birds, we are most likely going to get 500 birds at the end of our production. Even 500 birds in production shows that we have more than 10% loss, which is not even ideal, which is not feasible. Not your let's just go that way. And if you now sell at 8,000 per bird, which depends on our location as well. Some can sell at 10,000, some can sell 9,000. But in worst cases, you shouldn't sell your bird of 2.5 to 3.3 kg less than 8,000 naira. So you realize a total of 4 million naira. When you do your mathematics plus or minus, you get 840,000 naira full of it. Only if you sold each of your birds at 8,000 naira, or you have over 60 or 50 mortalities, which is not good for this kind of number. So hopefully, I hope everyone can do poultry business effectively and efficiently. I will look forward to see you in our next video, and we discuss further what and what you should do from day old, at 7 days, at day 10, time to use your passing, and every other thing necessary for your poultry success. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and be share for others to benefit. Thank you. God bless you.